How to unsave all messages on Snapchat. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can easily delete search suggestions when typing on your Instagram app. It works on both Android and iOS devices, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if this tutorial helps you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get notified whenever we post new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app. Go to Chats. Open the chat in which you want to unsave the messages. Tap and hold the message that you want to unsave. Then tap on Unsave in Chat. To unsave the message completely, it should be unsaved from both sides. Means the person you have sent the message should also unsave it. And as of right now, the bulk unsave feature is not available on Snapchat, so you have to manually unsave all the messages in the chat. So that's how you can unsave messages on Snapchat.